If you're looking to see a Disney Aulani hotel room tour, especially a 2-bedroom villa with an ocean view, you've come to the right video. We're bringing you up to our room on the 9th floor of the Waianae Tower to room 908 that we loved staying in for a week. As we make it to our room, you have our first bathroom when you walk in to the right. This was one that our son primarily used. You got a little sink and a toilet, but no bathtub or shower in here. And you circle around to the kitchen, which had a full-size refrigerator we were able to stock up at a local grocery store. We'll cover that in our food video. A stove, microwave, a dishwasher, sink, plenty of dishes and everything you needed in this kitchen. And this nice large table, which was great for our family of 5. We could all sit around here and enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner together here in the room. We also had a washer and dryer in our 2-bedroom villa. Very nice to have for an entire week stay here. And here's a look at the living room, which was nice and spacious with a TV and dresser, along with this sofa and chair that both convert to beds, which our son used. Let's work our way over here to the right, which is considered the 2nd bedroom, which has a TV over here to the left, and a dresser area that you can put all your clothes. It's got a desk over in the corner and 2 queen beds, as well as its own bathroom area over here. You've got this rain shower and handle that you can pull down in this tub in the 2nd bathroom. Here's a look at the vanity area. It's got a mirror, and over here you have a toilet in this closet with some fish artwork up on the wall. So basic little toilet room that you can close the door and someone can still use the vanity or the shower. Again, here's the look at the 2nd bedroom with the 2 queen beds. Our daughters shared this room and had no complaints of the bed. I really like the little desk over here with the Mickey lamp. As we head outside, let me give you the first look at the view from our room. Again, this is the Waianae Tower room 908. We would just get some fantastic views throughout the day. Highly recommend an ocean view if you can get one. Back into the living room. I want to also show you this lamp over here to the right, and you'll notice there is a Mickey Mouse on a surfboard. So great theming with a couple Mickey Mouses around the room, and this is the other sliding doors that brings you out to the main balcony from the living room. And we loved enjoying all the views from the balcony here. But let's head into the master bedroom. When we first arrived, we had an elephant towel animal with a little flower on top. Here is the water closet, the little toilet room that you can close. You also have this shower area that has a little place you can sit down with multiple styles of shower heads and your vanity. And then you have this jetted tub over here to the right with these sliding doors in the master bedroom. And over here to the right, you have a pretty spacious size closet. You can put your luggage. You can hang up any of your Hawaiian shirts or dresses in here. So overall, nice spacious bathroom area, and the bedroom with the king bed was very comfortable throughout the week. Also has a TV back behind me. And this desk was nice to utilize to put my laptop on to check in on things. And then you have your own private little balcony here with the master bedroom. It's a separate balcony from the other one with the 2nd bedroom and the main living area. So there is a look at the Aulani 2-bedroom villa with an ocean view. We absolutely love staying here. If you found this video helpful, do us a huge favor and simply hit that like button down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and be sure to check out our Aulani playlist where we go over other room tours, food guide of all the things you can eat at Aulani, and activities you can do around Aulani. So check out that playlist next. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.